Exercise 3.4, question 1. Statements. We have to find true or false. First statement is all rectangles are square. We know that square has a unique characteristic that all sides and all angles are equal. Here is the statement all rectangles are square. If we have a rectangle that is have one side one opposite pair equal and other opposite pair equal, but this is not a square because there are not all sides equal. So we can say that all rectangle are square is a false statement. Okay, now the B statement read that all rhombus are parallelogram. All rhombus are parallelogram. Look at the statement. All rhombuses are parallelogram because if we note down that this is a rhombus and rhombus has four sides equal. Now we can say that opposite sides are equal of a rhombus, so this is a parallelogram. So any rhombus will be a parallelogram. So the statement all rhombuses are parallelogram is a true statement. Now 3. Here is the statement all squares are rhombus and also rectangles. All squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. All squares are rhombuses and also rectangle. We know that square has a special characteristic that all sides are equal. If we find a property of rhombuses are that there are all sides are equal. So square has all sides are equal, so R square are rhombuses. And rectangle has all opposite sides equal and all angles are right angle. So we can say that all square are rectangles. So this statement is also a true statement. Now look at the statement D. Statement D is all square are not parallelogram. All square are not parallelogram. We know that square has all side equals and all angle are right angle. Okay, and now we can say that square has a property of parallelogram because parallelogram has opposite sides equal and opposite sides are parallel, and all square has this property of parallelogram. Now we can say this statement is a false statement because all squares are parallelograms. Statement E. All kites are rhombuses. All kites are rhombuses. We know that kite has a unique characteristic that adjacent sides of a kite are equal. So, in a kite A, B, C, D, we find that AD is equal to AB and DC is equal to BC. Now, if we draw a rhombus, there is a rhombus, all sides are equal. If we find that all kites are rhombuses, this is a kite which have adjacent sides equal but not all sides are equal, but rhombus has all sides are equal. So, if sometime it can be a rhombus, but in all statements that is not true, that is not a true statement. So, this is also a false statement. All kites are rhombus. This is not a true statement. Next statement F, that is all rhombuses are kites. All rhombus are kites. Look, a rhombus that have all sides equal and a kite that have adjacent sides are equal. If we look at the rhombus, adjacent sides are equal like this, and this is adjacents are equal like this. So all rhombuses are kites. So this statement is a true statement. Now look at the statement G. All parallelograms are trapezium. All parallelogram are trapezium. If we look at a parallelogram, we know that opposite sides of both pairs are equal in a parallelogram, but in a trapezium there is a property that at least one pair of a trapezium parallel to each other, and the parallelogram has both pairs are parallel to each other. So we can say that all parallelogram are a trapezium because it has all properties of a trapezium. So this is a true statement. Now add the statement H. All squares are trapezium. All squares are trapeziums. Now look at a square, and this is a trapezium because trapezium has at least one pair of sides parallel and square has both sides parallel to each other, so it has also a characteristic of a trapezium. Square has a property of a trapezium, so we can say that all squares are trapeziums. So this is also a true statement.